Hey Geek, so on this video, I want to talk about a feature that YouTube really needs, and honestly, I don't even know why it's not here. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So typically for your videos, you could go here to your three dots, and then you can download the video, which is what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to download this, and it might take a little while to do that. So let's go ahead and go here to my downloads to see if it's there. So it's already been downloaded, but once you open the file, you'll notice that there's something different here, and here it is. But if you actually look at the information right here, it is not the full resolution file. You get a 720p version, so 1280 by 720, and that is the version that you get. Now there are ways in which you could actually get the original version, but it's not easy at all, and I have made two videos talking about this. Here's the original one, and here's an updated one, and so I will leave those videos in the description area below. So this is the big feature that I'm talking about. Why doesn't YouTube give you the capability or option to download the original high resolution file directly from YouTube Studio? And the reason I ask is, well, it's done easily somewhere else. And so if you go to my Rumble channels, or Rumble period, if you go to the video, I've uploaded the same video here, and you go to their three dots and you go to file, you can actually download it, and we'll go ahead and download this, and it'll take a few seconds to download the file. Okay, so the file has been downloaded, and if I go to my downloads folder, there it is. But when I open up the file, we'll notice a difference. So here, if I actually look at the codec information, this is at my original resolution and frame rate. This is at the 2K resolution. And if I actually look here at the file size, so this is 155 megs. The one from YouTube, since it is lower resolution, it's 27 megs. Plus, when I actually look at the original file that I uploaded from, this one is also 155.1 megs. And if I open this up and then I look at the codec information, it's the same original file that I have on Rumble that I could easily download right here. And I really do not understand why YouTube, which is much larger, and they have way more advanced technologies and obviously way more money, how they can't give us the same easy feature to select the video you want to download at the original high resolution version. And so hopefully if YouTube sees this, that they do implement this really awesome and valuable feature that I think a lot of content creators will really be happy to get, because that way we have backups pretty much of our original videos without having to jump through a lot of hoops. And once you see my other videos on how you currently do this, it is not an easy process, and you can't select the videos that you want to download individually like you can in Rumble. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below as well. Get thousands of royalty-free music and sound effects for all your creative needs. Whether you are a content creator, freelancer, or business, Audio has the perfect song for you at amazing prices. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.